To insert a table, go to the Shape menu, then select the table icon. Choose your table color, and then select however many rows and columns you would like. To move your table, like any object, use the Select tool and touch and drag it. To manipulate the cells, make sure the table first is not selected. Then do a long press onto one of the cells and then a touch and drag across however many cells you wish to edit. When you release, a little menu will appear. The first icon allows you to merge the cells together. The second part of the menu, using the paint bucket, will allow you to change the background color. You can also insert or delete a row. With tables, any object, text, shapes, or images can be dragged and dropped into the table. Simply drag and wait for the cell to highlight red, then release. The table will automatically resize depending on the size of the object. Move the table, select it, and drag.